Imagine you wake up one morning, open your YouTube studio, and your channel is gone. No warning, no second chance, just gone. That's the reality thousands of creators are facing right now in 2026, and the scary part is that most of them never saw it coming. Stay with me because what I'm about to share could save your channel. Hello and welcome. If you are a content creator or you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, this video is for you. YouTube has been quietly raising the bar for what it considers acceptable content. And if your channel falls within certain categories, you could be at serious risk right now. So I'm going to walk you through 3 types of channels that are in the danger zone, and then I'll show you exactly what to do to protect yourself. Let's start with storytelling channels. Now, I know this niche blew up recently and a lot of creators jumped on it. The format usually goes like this. You take an AI-generated image, add a little zoom effect, throw an AI voice on top of it, and call it a story. And yes, some of those channels grew fast. But we all know that fast growth built on a shaky foundation always comes crashing down. YouTube's algorithm has become sophisticated enough to detect when a video has little to no human effort behind it. And when it does, it doesn't just demonetize that video, it can actually flag your entire channel. So if your storytelling content looks like it was assembled by a machine in 5 minutes, YouTube will treat it in that way. Now, the second one surprises a lot of people: Bible and prayer channels, as in spiritual content. You would think YouTube would leave those ones alone, right? But no. Here's what's happening. Many creators in this space are using AI-generated voices to narrate scriptures and prayers, layering them over stock footage or AI imagery, and uploading video after video with almost zero human involvement. YouTube now has the ability to detect AI-generated audio, and when it does, that content gets flagged as inauthentic. It doesn't matter how meaningful the message is. If the delivery is robotic and the production is automated from start to finish, YouTube will not protect you. The platform wants to see a real human being behind the content, not a robot. Third on the list is compilation channels. And this one might shock you even more because some creators think that as long as they are compiling their own original videos, they are safe. Well, they are not. YouTube looks at compilation content and often see it as low-effort, recycled material, even if every clip in that compilation belongs to you. Now, imagine if you are compiling other people's videos without proper licensing. That is even a faster path to a copyright strike or a full channel termination. Reaction channels also fall into this risky category. If the majority of your video is someone else's content with you just commenting on it, YouTube's system is increasingly treating that as reused content, and that's a label you do not want on your channel. So what do? I covered 4 powerful strategies in my previous video. Go check it out. But let me give you a quick recap here. Number 1, be authentic. Use your voice, your perspective, and your story. Nobody else can replicate that, and that's exactly what YouTube wants to see. Number 2, if you can show your face, please do it. A visible, real human being on the screen builds trust with both your audience and the algorithm. Number 3, if going faceless is your only option, at the very minimum, use your own voice. Record yourself. Don't let a robot speak for you, okay? And number 4, every single video you post should educate, inspire, and entertain your viewers. That is your protection. If your content genuinely serves people, you have a future on this platform. If it doesn't, no trick or loophole will save you. YouTube is not going backwards. The standards are only going to get higher from here. So the earlier you make these adjustments, the safer your channel will be. If this video helped you, please share it with a fellow creator who needs to hear this today. And go watch my other video where I break down the full strategy for thriving on YouTube in 2026. I'll see you there. Bye.